Students, you all are welcome to today's online class. I hope you all completed the previous class homework, isn't it? Good. Shall we start today's class? All have to take your note and book, students. Let's write the example 5.27. What is the example 5.27 now? A mobile phone is put to use when the battery power is 100%. Okay, initially there is 100%. The percentage of battery power is Y. So, power in the sense Y. It is given in decimal. Remaining after using the mobile phone for X hours. So, hours means X is assumed Y is equal to minus 0.25X plus 1. So, it is the given equation. It is the linear equation. We have two subdivisions to find. First one is find the number of hours elapsed if the battery power is 40%. What is the first one meaning now? From the first subdivision, initially there is 100% power. To bring 40%, how long it will take? So time need to find out. Y value is given, X we have to find out. So from the second subdivision, listen the second one. How much time does it take so that the battery has no power? Here also time only we have to find, means X need to find out. From the second subdivision, what you understood? When the battery come to 0 power. Okay? When the battery come to 0 power. For that how long it will take? Here also time. So both the subdivision, time we have to find out. Okay? Let's do the first subdivision. To find the time when the battery power is 40%. That is the first subdivision. We have to take, so I told you power means that is Y. Y equal to 40%. 40% can be right 40 by 100. Divide it. So 0.40. Given equation is Y is equal to 0.25X plus 1. In this equation, we have Y is equal to 0.40. We can substitute. Okay, so that we get Y is equal to minus 0.25X plus 1 is the given equation. In place of Y, 0.40. So we have 0.40 equal to minus 0.25X plus 1. We have to find out X value. So that let's bring this X term to this side. So it become minus 0.25X become 0.25X equal to, already 1 is there, is it? 1. This 0.40 term take this side, it become minus 0.40. Okay, subtract it. 1 minus 0.40 we get 0.60. Here we have 0.25X. We have to find out X. From here X is equal to 0.60 divided by 0.25. Okay, X is equal to 0.60 by 0.25. To cancel this decimal, let us multiply up and down 100. We get 60 by 25. Let us divide it using 5 table. 12 5s are 60. Here 5 5s are 25, which is equal to 12 by 5. Let us divide it. 12 divided by 5. Here 2 5s are 10. 2 balance cannot divide, no point here 0. So 4 5s are 20. So which is equal to 2.4. It is time, so hours. Okay, how long, how much hours only asked. So 2.4. Therefore X is equal to 2.4 hours. So what is the second subdivision now? How long it will take to bring the battery power is 0%. Okay, so if the battery power is 0, so power means Y value is 0. Y is equal to 0. We have the equation, given equation is Y is equal to minus 0.25 into X plus 1. Here we can put Y is equal to 0. So we get 0 is equal to minus 0.25 into X plus 1. Here also X only we have to find. So X term take this side. So it will become 0.25X equal to 1. From here X is equal to 1 by 0.25. To remove this decimal, 1 by 0.25, and let us multiply up and down 100. Why not? 2 digits are there, no? So multiply by 100. Okay, we get 100 by 25. Okay, let's divide 125 here 4. So which is equal to 4 hours. Okay, therefore X is equal to 4 hours need to bring the 0 power. Next, let's write the exercise 5.3, question number 11. Okay, what is the question number 11? No, you are downloading a song, the percent y in decimal form of megabytes remaining to get downloaded in x seconds is given by y is equal to minus 0.1x plus 1. Okay, here also given equation is y is equal to minus 0.1x plus 1, and it is mentioned remaining to get. Okay, that we have to understand, remaining to get. Here three subdivisions are there. First one is find the total MB of the song. Second one, after how many seconds will 75% of the song gets downloaded. Third one is after how many seconds the song will be downloaded completely. Find the total MB of the song is the first subdivision. Okay, here given equation is y equal to minus 0.1x plus 1. Here MB means y value, it is given. MB means y value. Here y is the MB. So total MB in the sense time will be 0. So time is x. Time is x, MB is y. Total MB if you are considering, time will be 0. So x equal to 0 can be taken. Okay, so y is equal to MB. Y is MB. So time will be 0. Bracket you write time is 0. Total MB of the song at the beginning that is x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. Therefore y is equal to given equation minus 0.1 into x we have 0. In the beginning there is no time, no, so x is equal to 0 plus 1, that is equal to, this term becomes 0. So 0 plus 1 equal to 1. Therefore y is equal to 1. So second subdivision is after how many seconds will 75% of the song gets downloaded. Okay, after how many seconds. So here also time we have to find out. So when 75% of song gets downloaded, 25% remains only can take. In the question itself it is mentioned. Okay, remaining to get. So remaining only you have to take. 75% of song gets downloaded, 25% remains. So this y is equal to this 25%. What is meant by 25%? 25 by 100. So it can be write 0.25. So given equation is y equal to minus 0.1x plus 1. So y value is 0.25. So 0.25 is equal to minus 0.1x plus 1. We have to find the x, how many seconds it will take, that is the question. So x term bring here. So minus term when you are taking here, it become plus 0.1x equal to this one minus this term take here, so it become minus 0.25. So 0.1x equal to 1 minus 0.25 is 0.75. Therefore we get from here x is equal to 0.75 divided by 0.1. So to cancel this decimal up and down, let us multiply by 100. So 0.75 divided by 0.1 into 100 by 100. We get 75 divided by here 0.1 into 100 is 10. 10.0 will come, that can write to 10. Okay, which is equal to, so 75 divided by 10 we get 7.5. It is asked by seconds, so unit you have to write seconds. Okay, so second one is to bring remaining 25%, it will take 7.5 seconds. Okay, third subdivision is after how many seconds the song will be downloaded completely. Okay, when the song is completely downloaded, remaining percent will be 0. Completely means remaining will be 0. Completely downloaded, so remaining will be 0. So percentage is here, power is y, is it? So y is equal to 0 can be. So given equation is y is equal to minus 0.1x plus 1. Here y value is 0. So 0 equal to minus 0.1 into x plus 1. From here x term bring here. So minus 0.1x becomes 0.1x equal to 1. From here x is equal to 1 by 0.1. Is equal to 1 by 0. To cancel this decimal, here only one digit is there. So up and down multiply by 10. We get 10 by 1.0, that is 1, which is equal to 10 seconds. So it will take 10 seconds to completely download the remaining percentage. Next example is example 5.28. Okay, what is the 5.28 now? A line makes positive intercepts. Okay, mind it, positive intercepts. So negative 1 come on coordinate axis whose sum is 7. And it passes through minus 3, 8. Find its equation. Intercepts in the sense we have x intercepts as well as y intercepts. Is it? So both is given. So let us take the intercept is a and b. X intercept is a, y intercept is b. Are the intercepts. By given, what is given now? Sum of the intercept is 7. Means one we have taken a, another one b. So a plus b equal to 7. By given we can write this condition, a plus b is equal to 7. From here b is equal to 7 minus a can be written. Okay, we know the intercept form. What is the intercept form? Do you remember the formula? Intercept form is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Let us take it as equation number 1. That is x by a plus y by, in place of b we have 7 minus a. Apply it. 7 minus a is equal to 1. Equation number 2. Let us take the equation number 2. Okay, so equation 2 passes through given minus 3, 8. Okay, minus 3, 8. Minus 3, 8. So 2 implies we get x, in place of x we can give x is equal to minus 3, y is equal to 8. Okay, so 2 implies x is minus 3 by a plus y is 8. 8 by 7 minus a is equal to 1. Okay, take the LCM. LCM is 7 into, sorry, a into 7 minus a. A into 7 minus a. So the numerator become minus 3 into 7 minus a, minus 3 into 7 minus a plus a into 8. It can be right 8a is equal to 1. Did you understand? LCM is a into 7 minus a. Numerator is 7 minus a into this minus 3 plus a into 8 is equal to 1. Now let's multiply with this minus 3 first of all. Minus 3 into 7 minus 21, minus into minus plus, so 3a plus 8a divided by, let's multiply here as it is right, a into 7 minus a is equal to 1. Let's cross multiply. So minus 21 plus 3a, let's add it, 3a plus 8a we get 11a. Cross multiply it, 1 into a into 7 minus a is a into 7 minus a. So minus 21 plus 11a is equal to, with this two terms multiply. So a into 7, 7a minus is there, a into a square. So bring this a square and a term to this side. So minus a square bring here it to become plus a square. Already 11a is there, plus 11a. Take this minus 7a to the side. So minus 7a minus 21 is there, equal to 0. Simplify. A square here 11a 7a like terms. So 11a minus 7a we have 4a minus 21 equal to 0. Now we got it quadratic equation. Let us factorize it. So product is minus 21. Product is minus 21. Sum is 4. Product is minus 21. Sum is 4. Guess the number 7 and minus 3. So it can be write as a factor form. A plus 7 into a minus 3 equal to 0. From here a plus 7 equal to 0 or a minus 3 equal to 0. From here a is equal to 0 minus 7, that is minus 7, or a is equal to 3. A is equal to minus 7 or a is equal to 3 we have said, but it is given intercept is positive. So since a is positive, so only positive value we have to take, negative value we have to reject. Okay, then b value we have to find out. Find the intercepts, that is the question. A and b we have to find out, is it? So a value is there, so put a is equal to 3 in. Already first itself we have the equation, by given we have the equation. No, b is equal to 7 minus a. What we get? B is equal to 7 minus a value 3, which is equal to 4. Therefore b is equal to 4 and a is equal to 3. Intercept form is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Here a is equal to 3, b is equal to 4. Apply it. X by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 1. Take the LCM of denominators. What is the LCM of 3 and 4? 12 is the LCM. So the numerator become 4 into x, 4x plus 3 into y, 3y is equal to 1. Cross multiply it. 4x plus 3y is equal to 12 into 1, 12. Okay, bring this constant term to this side. 4x plus 3y minus 12 equal to 0. Therefore the required equation is, find its equation only question. Therefore the required equation is 4x plus 3y minus 12 equal to 0. Understood, students? The next question is exercise 5.3, question number 14. Here two subdivisions are there. Okay, first let us do the first one. Find the equation of a straight line passing through 1, minus 4 and has intercepts which are in the ratio 2:5. Last question, intercept is separately given. Sum of the intercept like that given. Here it is given by using ratio. Given point is 1, minus 4 and ratio is given 2:5. Let us take the x intercept is 2 into a and y intercept is 5a. X intercept is 2a with the variable. Let us take x intercept is 2a, y intercept is 5a. We know the intercept form. What is the intercept form? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Here a, x intercept we have 2a, y intercept we have 5a. Okay, let us use in place of a and b 2a and 5a. Okay, so we get x by 2a plus y by 5a is equal to 1. Let us take it as equation number 1. Now it passes through, equation 1 passes through given point is 1, minus 4. So 1 comma minus 4 means x is 1, y is minus 4. So can write x is 1 by 2a plus is there, y value is minus 4 by 5a equal to 1. That is 1 by 2a plus into minus here minus 4 by 5a is equal to 1. Take the LCM. LCM of a comma a is a. 2 and 5 is 10. Understood? LCM of a comma a is a. LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. So it can be right 10a. Here we get 1 into 5a is 5a. 5a. 1 by 2a minus 4 by 5a is equal to 1. Here LCM of 2a, a comma a is a. 2 and 5 is 10. So 10a. Here variable terms, so directly should not cross multiply. So 1 by 2a into LCM. Okay, that is 1 by 2a into 10a. Here a can be cancelled. 1 2 is 2. Here 5. So 5 minus, for this term 4 by 5a is there. 4 by 5a into this LCM 10a. a can be cancelled. Here 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10, 4 2s are 8 is equal to 1. Now from here 5 minus 8 is minus 3 by 10a is equal to 1. So minus 3 equal to cross multiply 1 into 10a is 10a. From here change the sides. So 10a equal to minus 3, a is equal to minus 3 by 10. Okay, put a is equal to minus 3 by 10 in equation number 1. Equation number 1. What is the equation 1? 1 implies, what is the equation number 1? X by 2a plus y by 5a is equal to 1. Put a is equal to minus 3 by 10. That is x by 2 into a is minus 3 by 10 plus y by 5 into minus 3 by 10 is equal to 1. What can we do? This shall we divide it here? 1 here 5. So x by minus 3 by 5 plus here also 1 2. Y by minus 3 by 2 is equal to 1. Let us take this denominator to denominator is in the division form. Okay, let us take it into the numerator, so it will become reciprocally. So it can be right x into minus 3 by 5 can write, when we are taking to the numerator it can be right 5 by minus 3 plus here also y into minus 3 by, y divided by minus 3 by 2 is there, so it can be right 2 by minus 3 is equal to 1. Now 5x by minus 3 plus 2y by minus 3 equal to 1. From here this minus, positive and negative is negative only, so let us take this negative to numerator. So it can be right minus 5x minus 2y by, together write this 3 is equal to 1. That is minus 5x minus 2y equal to 3. Let us bring this constant term to this side. So minus 5x minus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. Throughout multiply by minus. Okay, to change this minus, let us multiply by minus. We get 5x plus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. Therefore the required equation is, the required equation is 5x plus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. So let us do the second subdivision in the same question. Okay, question number 14, second subdivision. Passing through minus 8 comma 4 and making equal intercepts on the coordinate axis. So x intercept and y intercept are same, we have to take. Let us take the x intercept and y intercept is a. Okay, we have intercept form is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Is it? Here both the intercepts are same. Therefore, the intercept form we have to give x by a plus y by a is equal to 1. Okay, it passes through minus 8 comma 4. So we get, in place of this x and y, we have to apply minus 8 and 4. X equal to minus 8, y is equal to 4. We get minus 8 by a plus here 4 by a is equal to 1. What is the LCM of a comma a? A is the LCM. So the numerator become, so directly here variable terms, so directly should not cross multiply. So LCM is a, both the same term, so directly should not cross multiply. We have to use first term into LCM. So minus 8 by a into LCM is a. So a can be cancelled, we get minus a. Minus a. Plus is there. Then 4 by a into LCM a. A can be cancelled. 4 by a into LCM a. A can be cancelled, so 4 is equal to 1. From here, minus 8 plus 4 we have minus 4 by a is equal to 1. Cross multiply it, minus 4 equal to a into 1 is a. Therefore, a is equal to minus 4. Okay. Put a is equal to minus 4 in equation number 1. 1 implies, 1 is x by a plus y by a is equal to 1. No? Put a is equal to minus 4, we get x by minus 4 plus y by minus 4 equal to 1. To get the record equation, throughout multiply by minus 4. Okay. So multiply by minus 4, we get minus 4 into x by minus 4 plus minus 4 into y by minus 4 equal to minus 4. So minus 4 minus 4 minus 4 minus 4 can be cancelled. We get x plus y is equal to minus 4. Take this minus 4 to this side. We get x plus y plus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, the record equation is x plus y plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay. Next, we have to do example 5.29. Okay. That is somewhat lengthy question. So, if I start now, cannot complete. Okay. So, after completion of this, you have to write the next example 5.29 question. You write and give. Okay. So, today's questions you have to take well practice. These are the today's portion, students. Okay. Thank you.